Bihar went to polls on November 6 in the first phase of the 2025 assembly elections. Voting took place in 121 of the state's 243 constituencies spread across 18 districts. The contest is triangular between the BJP-JDU-led National Democratic Alliance, the RJD Congress-led Mahagathbandhan, and Prashant Kishore's Jan Suraj Party. Polling officially ended at 6 pm, though voting hours were cut short to 5 pm in a few sensitive areas, including Simri, Bhaktiyarpur, Mahishi, Tarapur, Munger, Jamalpur, and parts of Suryagarh. By 5 pm, voter turnout stood at 60.13% according to the Election Commission, 4.45% higher than in the first phase of the 2020 polls. Begusarai reported the highest turnout at 67.32%, while Shiakpura recorded the lowest at 52.36%. Around 3.75 crore voters decided the fate of 1,314 candidates in this round. Voting was held in districts such as Patna, Darbhanga, Saharsa, Muzaffarpur, Gopalganj, Saran, Vaishali, Bhojpur, Buxar, among others. Top political leaders including Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, Deputy Chief Minister Samrat Chaudhary, RJD Chief Lalu Prasad Yadav, Tejasvi Yadav, and LJP leader Chirag Paswan cast their votes earlier in the day. Counting of votes will take place on November 14th.